Hello trader, this is a complete multi-time frame analysis on XAUUSD. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity we have in this instrument. Now looking at the lower time frame, we can see that after this strong uptrend, the market started to form another structure. Now before we discuss how we can trade with the market open, let's quickly look at a monthly chart to see overall picture in the market. Now from the monthly, we can see that this is the fresh monthly candle just open this week. We can see once the market open, initially we have seen a bounce from this level. So if we look at this low of this monthly candlestick pattern, we can see that every month the price was forming series of higher low, and previous monthly candle is a doji maintaining that series of higher low. Now this month, once the market open, initially we have seen a bounce towards the upside, where this is the monthly support level. Now with that bounce, we have seen at the end of the week there is a deeper pullback. Now this drop may now continue to further, what I think that we might see another retest of the monthly support before having another bounce on the monthly perspective. Looking at weekly perspective, we can see that from the weekly, this market, closely look at from here, we saw there was a weekly doji formation, and from that doji the market had a strong breakdown followed by another bounce, liquidity grab, we have seen another drop followed by another liquidity grab. So what we can see that in this weekly perspective, whenever the price hitting the resistance, long wick candle is being formed, which is a sign that the seller is trying to sell from that resistance. And at the same time, we see series of higher low formation from the support level. But at the same time, we see the rejection from the top is very stronger. So we might see potentially slowly a weekly consolidation, what I think that, and slowly may try to break below before it bounce back up, or we might see a long-term sideways movement from the weekly to form a potential triangular pattern from bigger picture perspective. Now if we look at the smaller picture, this is the weekly candlestick pattern that has broken this weekly resistance, and with that break of this weekly resistance, the market form a long week candle. Therefore what I think that this week we might see continuation downside to this liquidity zone, where as lower time frame we might see an important zone here that we can look at the daily chart to see how price is evolving. And from the daily, we saw there was a bounce, the price has re-hit that resistance line. Last day of trading week, we saw a strong rejection, and that rejection might lead that price further to the downside. But I think that from the daily, we may see another retest of this support before moving back to the upside again, as there is an imbalance here from the daily. Now looking at the 1 hour chart to see how the price is evolving, here we can see a clean bounce here. We have seen that from this order block, this is an important level of order block from the 1 hour perspective, where this is a support here, support here, support here, which is a resistance here. And from the neckline, after this penetration, the market has started its uptrend locally from the 1 hour, and we have seen a very organized uptrending market structure form a clean head and shoulder, change its uptrend to a downtrend. And what I think that as on the lower higher time frame, we are expecting further downside, we might see lower time frame downtrending continuation here. And I think from the 1 hour, this could be the support that we might see gold again coming for a retest in the upcoming week. So in the beginning of the week, potential bearish price action, and we might see further selling opportunity, and this could be the zone that we can look throughout the week for potential trading opportunity. And this could be the wave for the upcoming week on XAUUSD. I hope that traders, you enjoyed this free education and analysis. If you enjoy, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.